Guided access is a brilliant accessibility feature. Now we can find that in Settings, General and Accessibility. Right at the bottom of the list is Guided Access, the only one under Learning. Now you can see here that I've already got Guided Access turned on, and underneath there's a brief description about what it does. It's very important when you use Guided Access that you set a passcode. Now the reason for this is so that you as the teacher are the only person who can turn Guided Access on, affect it and turn it off. The reasoning for that will become obvious in a moment. So once you've done all of that, you can leave Settings and choose an app. I'm going to say I'm doing a PE lesson and I want the children to use the clock app to use the stopwatch in order to time some lap times. Now I'm going to turn Guided Access on by tapping 3 times on the home button. You need to do that to get Guided Access working every single time. Now from there, on this Guided Access screen, I can then affect the way that the child interacts with the app. So for example, I can draw a small grey box and resize that to grey out large parts of the app. So I don't want the child to access any of the options at the bottom there, I just want them to use the stopwatch. I'm also screen recording, so I don't want them to be able to access that either and turn off my recording. So I'm going to put a little grey box around that also. In the bottom left hand corner I've got options. Within here I can turn the physical buttons on and off. So I don't want the home button to work or the volume buttons to work. And I'm also going to set a time limit on all of this. I know that my lesson, this part of the lesson, is only going to last for 10 minutes. So I'm going to set a time limit of 10 minutes. And once I've done all of that, all I need to do is press done to get the Guided Access going. Now the child in question can't use any of the options at the bottom, can't turn off my screen recording, can't hit the home button. Literally the only thing that that child can do is press start on the stopwatch and then press stop when they're ready. Now let's say the child does attempt to leave the app for whatever reason. If they hit the home button, it should come up with a little message at the top saying you're in Guided Access and you're stuck in this app for this allotted time. Now if you want to stop Guided Access, you triple click 3 times and then you need to put in the passcode. So theoretically a child could triple click 3 times, but they wouldn't know the passcode to get out of Guided Access. Once you're out, you've got full control of your iPad again, but what's quite clever about this feature is if you open up that same app again, triple click 3 times and choose Guided Access, it will remember the settings that you chose last time around. So you don't have to keep reinventing the wheel with Guided Access, you can just use the same options that you used last time. So there you go, it's a brilliant tool that is very, very well put together and can help a lot of children focus in on the learning at hand.